If you've been searching for a satisfying, flavorful dish that's 100% plant-based, easy to make, and perfect for sharing, this vegan lasagna with vegetables is exactly what you need. We're layering rich tomato sauce, creamy dairy-free bechamel, and roasted veggies for a lasagna that's hearty, healthy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get into it. You'll need 9 to 12 lasagna noodles cooked or oven ready, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 chopped zucchini, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 chopped yellow bell pepper, 1 cup chopped mushrooms, 1 cup baby spinach, 1 jar, around 3 cups marinara sauce, 1/2 cups unsweetened plant-based milk, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons olive oil for bechamel, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil or parsley to garnish. Start by heating olive oil in a large pan. Sauté the onion until soft, then add garlic, zucchini, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the veggies soften and release their moisture. Stir in the spinach and let it wilt, then season with salt and pepper. Set the vegetables aside. For the vegan bechamel, in a separate saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and whisk in the flour. Cook for a minute, then slowly pour in the plant-based milk while whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Add nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and let it thicken over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until smooth and creamy. Now it's time to build. Spread a thin layer of marinara in the bottom of your baking dish. Add a layer of noodles, followed by half the vegetables, a drizzle of bechamel, and a spoonful of marinara. Repeat the layers, then top with a final layer of noodles, more marinara, and the rest of the bechamel. Use the back of a spoon to spread everything evenly. Cover with foil and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Celsius, 190 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes until the top is lightly golden and bubbling. Let it sit for 10 minutes before slicing. Garnish with chopped basil or parsley, and you've got a comforting plant-powered lasagna that no one will believe is vegan. Like and share if this made your day better. Enjoy!